Hello everyone, my name is Jane. Welcome back to the series for crypto space newcomers. In the last part we spoke about famous scam projects, kind of which you want to avoid in your investor career. In this part of the series I actually plan to talk about Web3, but I got many questions about the term ICO I used in the last video, so I have to wait with the explanation of Web3 and first answer the question, what are the ICOs, IDOs and IEOs, and what is the difference? As always, I must tell you that I'm not a financial advisor and everything you see and hear on my channel is my personal analysis, thoughts and ideas based on my daily research. You're responsible for your investments, so don't forget to analyze this stuff before investing money. And let's get started. So guys, don't worry if you still don't get what ICOs, IEOs and IDOs are. Today I will tell you everything you need to know about it. Let's take a look at initial coin offering, ICO for short. It's probably one of the most popular and effective methods of crowdfunding and promotion. It's essentially a primary coin offering by way of collecting funding. The term ICO derived by analogy with the IPO, initial public offering, which is the process of turning a closed company into an open one. ICO is a type of sale where the tokens can be sold independently or through an intermediary like special platforms or private equity firms. It's simply an exchange of cryptocurrency for the coins that the project offers. In order to launch an ICO, a blockchain startup company doesn't have to disclose any information about the company and the owners. It's enough to create a website, write a white paper and launch a fundraising platform. High anonymity and big money contributed to the fact that ICOs began to be used by fraudsters. The peculiarity of the ICO that there is almost no regulation by the state, and in some countries such as South Korea and China, this tool is prohibited at all. In fact, the ICO is only guaranteed by the reputation of its founders. According to statistics, when the ICO boom began in 2017, 80% of all projects were created by fraudsters. According to the information I found on the website Token Data, there were more than 90% of scammers in 2018. 81% of ICOs were scams, 6% failed, 5% died, and only 8% were listed on exchanges. One of the most reliable ICO organizers I know is CoinList. Now let's move to EIO, Initial Exchange Offering. It's a kind of token offering where crypto exchanges organize the sale of the coin. In fact, IEO is the same as ICO but will be executed under the control of the crypto exchange. Unlike ICO, the IEO team of a startup doesn't launch a fundraising platform but undergoes financial legal due diligence at the exchange by means of due diligence on many factors: registration of a legal entity, documents, investment potential, marketability, financial condition, risks and viability of the project. When an investor transfers his money to the exchange wallet, these funds are under the full control of the latter. One of the most popular exchanges is Binance. A lot of licensed token sales take place on Binance Launchpad. You need to keep your funds in BNB in order to participate in the Launchpad token sales using this exchange. Another popular site is Gate.io, where token sales also take place. To participate, you need to store TGE tokens, and the more token you have, the more allocations you will get. Let's move to the next term I'd like to explain as IDO, Initial DX Offering. It's practically an initial offering of tokens via DX, decentralized exchange. It's a fairly new tool. In fact, IDO is something between ICO and IEO because the organization is engaged in the project using a decentralized exchange. The project itself sets the size of the issue and the price of the token, like in other sales as well. Some of the most famous places for token sales for today are Polkastarter, Paid Network, Darkstarter. Basically, these platforms work on ERC20. I think it's actually enough information to learn about the coin offerings for a good start, guys. I like to keep such videos rather short and easy to understand. It might be helpful at the beginning to grab this useful information indefinitely. Let me know if this was enough for you personally or you need more clarification and stuff. I will then make another video to the topic. Thanks for watching this part in the series. Leave your comments down below in the comment section, guys. In the next part in this series, we will see another topic you need to know to start your investor journey in this wonderful crypto space. Please like my video if you were entertained or got value from it. Ding the bell so you don't miss future videos, and don't forget to click on the end card to watch the next part in the series. See you in the next video.